Hi everybody, here is your overview video for Module 6. So at the top you have the video, then the Module 6 tasks, Module 6 objectives, and then all of the course content for the module. So in this module we're focusing on some what we call antecedent strategies, or basically proactive strategies that you guys can do within the environment of your classroom to hopefully prevent challenging behaviors. So I have an instructor video for you guys right here, and here are the slides. It just kind of summarizes the chapter. And in the video and also in the chapter, we talk about consistency. And so I have this additional website for you guys to look at that just further reinforces that, you need to pick your classroom management system, and then the key thing to implementing the system is just that you're consistent. And so it just talks about, the importance of consistency and all that good stuff. Then we talk about some routines and schedules, and I have a really good video for you guys. This is a teacher who teaches 4th grade, and she does a really great job of teaching kind of procedures and routines on the first day and at the beginning of the school year. And so I just think it's a really good model. She kind of introduces the procedure, she models it, she gets class participation, she provides feedback, and you can see kind of how well it runs within her classroom. Next, I have a video for you guys on classroom arrangement styles. So we talk about in the instructor video and also in the textbook, so different ways that you can rearrange the desks in the classroom environment. And so this video kind of further reinforces those that topic and talks about some different kind of pros and cons of different types of classroom arrangement styles. And then I have an IRIS module for you guys just to kind of look over. You guys are going to be using this IRIS module for assignment 3. And so when you click on it, once again, with all of your IRIS modules, there will be a challenge, initial thoughts, and then the bulk of the module is going to be in these perspectives and resources. And you can navigate these pages on the left here or down at the bottom. But basically they talk about, just overview, childhood environments, and then they talk about the physical environment, social environment, and temporal environment. And so I really like this IRIS module, and you guys are going to be really using it, like I said, for assignment 3. And then I have a research article for you guys to read. It's by Everett and colleagues. And basically it talks about how important eye contact and contingent praise is within regards to compliance training. So if you have kids that are really non-compliant, don't follow your instructions, things like this article can be really applicable to that situation. And I'm having you guys read this article because it goes along with the environmental cues, kind of that nonverbal section of your module. And then I also I want you guys to start thinking about how to relate it to Jenna's behavior within your classroom management project. All right. And then I have a classroom resource for you guys. I know the majority of you guys are teachers, if not all, and you probably already know about this website, but this website is called Teachers Pay Teachers, and you can go on there, and they just have a lot of resources that actual teachers have made, and they sell them on here for really cheap. So it's a way to kind of support teachers and also get some cool resources that you can really use in your classroom. You can filter by grades, and so especially in the module we talk about rules, you can type in classroom rules, and it will give you just some cool things that you guys can download. Here's a pocket chart. These are just some, what are these? Classroom decor, things like that are just kind of fun, and things that you don't have to recreate, essentially. Here's your module quick 6 quiz link, sorry. It'll open on Mondays, due on Sunday, and then sorry, I'm missing the study guide in the video, but I'll have that on here for you guys. Here's your module 6 discussion board. So when you guys go to the board, like I said, you can click on that link or go over here to the left, click on discussion boards, and you're going to go down to module 6. And within Module 6, this discussion board has 2 parts to it, and both parts are kind of having you guys reflect on your own experiences. So for the first part, I want you guys to tell me what your experiences are with rules and routines in your classroom. So if you guys have, which ones are easier to teach, which ones are harder to teach, which ones do you think are really important, which ones in the past have you taught and you've been really thankful that you taught, and which ones have you not taught and thought, oh man, that was one that I really need to focus on next year. Do you teach rules and routines at the beginning of the school year and things like that? And if you're not a teacher, just kind of discuss some rules and routines that you would want to make sure and target if you were to teach in the future, and why you're picking those routines or rules. And then I want y'all's thoughts on the article that was in the module. So this is very open-ended. Just make sure that you guys provide me with some content. So what did you guys think of the article? Was there anything in the article that you guys can relate to your own personal experiences? And then I provided one question for you guys just to get you guys started and thinking. So do you provide contingent praise to your students when they do it, you ask them to, or do you just expect them to follow your request? So give me something specifically from the article and your thoughts on it, and then you can also relate it to your own personal experiences as well. So that's your discussion board. And then here's your assignment 3 link. It'll be posted on Monday after the due date of assignment 2. So that's module 6. Please let me know if you have any questions as you're going through the module, and thanks for listening.